welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogtober. So I think this will be the first real vlog that goes on my channel and I'm really looking forward to it. As I've mentioned in all my planner videos and past videos, we will be focusing a lot on organizing my office this Vlogtober and the house in general, but my office really needs like a deep clean, and so I use a Vlogtober to just kind of do that. So today's focus will be the bookshelves, but I also just want to give you all a little overview of what the office looks like, because I feel like I don't remember the last time I did like an office tour update and things have changed. And then I also just want to kind of show you what we have in store so y'all can see how truly messy this place is. So let me flip the camera around. All right, so here is the bookshelves. So this is what we'll be focusing on today. As y'all can see, I've just let things go crazy. So ultimately I need to just make sure that I only keep books on here unless it's the bottom two. So I have all these boxes full of planner stuff, and that's something too that we'll like get into when we're like focusing on the planner organization and inserts video, which is coming. But ultimately I want to go through all these to see what I have and what we're doing, and then I might just shift them off of my bookshelf. We'll see. But I don't know, it needs to be cleaned up and tidied up, and then ultimately I need to go through the boxes and then just clear this up. I want to move, like organize my books, so that's why I want to take off this so I can like organize it by like marketing books, analytics books, different things like that. I have all my like fun reads here. So that's what we'll be focusing on today. But as for the tour, I have a trash bag over here. Mira is sleeping. So if you are not new to my channel, this couch used to be in our living room at mine and my husband's first apartment. And it was in our loft. And I decided to move this one into my office because one, I move furniture around all the time, which is why I always have the updates. But two, oh buddy. But two, it is more comfy, and so I actually like spend more time on this. There's more room for me, and as y'all see, Mira to stretch out. I have my coffee there, but it's nice because I can also watch TV, and it's a little bit more comfy than the white couch that I got, which is now in the loft. So I just switched those two. Over here we have the bookends with a bunch of comics that I still need to read. We have a bin for Mira's toys. I moved my fridge kind of over here. Again, I need to like clear this up. Here is my desk area. So we have my planner cart. This will be a dedicated video because as y'all see, there's just stuff everywhere. That's pretty much the case like in general. I don't even know if we'll get to the closet this video, but I need to, or this Vlogtober, but I need to. I might save that for Vlogmas though. Just because I don't feel like dealing with it this month. Probably not even next month since it's my birthday month. And then once I'm out of class, I think it'll be nice to just, you know, recharge, organize. And then I'm probably gonna have like a deep organization video. We do plan on moving probably around April or May. And so December is like the perfect time to just really go in on getting rid of things. So I think that's really what we'll do during Vlogmas this year. Yeah, here's my desk. Nothing's really changed too much. I just keep bouncing around with the fridge on where to put it. And I'm thinking of just maybe selling it all together. I haven't fully decided. I only really put like leftovers in there or waters. And so I don't know if I really need it. And again, I just feel like my office is very cluttered right now. And so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's what we have planned for Vlogtober. So we'll do a dedicated planner cart video, dedicated inserts, but we will be going through them in this video. But again, focusing on the shelves. And then I also need to go through all of my stickers. I might tackle some things in here just because I have boxes of inserts in there that we'll get rid of in the insert video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the bookshelf. So what we'll do is we'll pull everything out, go through them, see what's inside, and take them off of the shelf. And then I'll probably just store them in the closet for now. Again, I only plan on keeping what I like frequently use on this bottom shelf, but these need to go. All right, guys, so the bookshelf is officially cleaned up, and so I'm going to do a little bookshelf tour just because I don't think y'all have seen it in a bit. So as y'all know, this has gone all around the office, as I may have mentioned in the beginning of the video, and I've also used it for like handbag displays and storage, but I've gotten into reading a lot more recently, and then of course, as you know, y'all know at school, I have a lot of books. So let's go ahead and start from the top, and then I think we'll go down. So over here, I have these designer books from Amazon. I'll have everything linked below that I can link, but I'll definitely link these. I have my custom Funko Pop that I made when I went to LA. I have some Funko Pops over here as well. My degrees, I have my master's and my bachelor's is behind it. I have these travel size classic books. I love classic literature, and so I have all those here. I really love this like company that makes them like this, and they're very legible. You can take them with very easily to read. If you've been following me for a bit, I've gotten into Star Wars lately. So prior to that, I was into the classic literature and just keep bouncing around. Moving down, and speaking of Star Wars, we're getting to that. But starting on the left, I have my analytics books, and then just two books that I really love by Michelle Obama. I don't really have like a section for these, so I just have them here. But these are all of my like primary data books that I use. I have my Star Wars section. So these are all the Star Wars Legends books that I've been collecting and reading. So I finished the first trilogy, and so have a lot to go, but with all the travel, it's been nice to read books while I'm traveling. So have that. I have this Millennium Falcon Funko Pop with Lando. So this was on sale for like $20, I think, and so I got it. And we are running out of room in the in our loft, so I have this here because I think it just looks really good here as well. I found these at Hallmark, and we have Yoda using the Force to hold up the books. And then we also have Darth Vader doing the same thing. So I just have one on each side for decoration. To the right, we have my academics, doctoral student specific books, as well as like this little dog, and then this like box of like sticky notes from the school that I have. But these are all APA writing, surviving your dissertation, qualitative, quantitative texts, just anything pretty much about writing and dissertation is here, as well as the APA guide. So we have that. And then over here, we have my Louis Vuitton like fashion book, some catalogs, or not catalogs, these are just like the magazines that come in with the orders. This is a St. Laurent box that just has like ink and random like office stuff. I keep it here. One, it's really pretty, it matches, but it's nice like storage. In the middle, we have the canon books from Star Wars. So we have Legends up here, and then canon here, and then I did my best to research chronological order, and some of them have a timeline, so I have them both in chronological order. And then over here, we have some of my more recent and popular marketing books that I use. I have a little Hermes pop-up book that I just kept here because it was like a similar size. Inside of here, I have some more like thumbtacks, random like office supplies. And then I got this little black dog when we were in New Haven, Connecticut. And I think it was in Mystic. They had a boutique called like the Black Dog. I think it's an East Coast thing, but it looks exactly like me. I mean, it just has like a white pouch, or not pouch, spot. Here she is for reference. But y'all know I love her, and I just love that it looked like her, so I grabbed that. So we have that there. And then we have my printer, acrylic organizers with paper, ink, and I think just like whiteout and things like that are in these two Chanel boxes, tape, staples, Apple HomePod, other academic books and marketing books that I've used throughout my master's and my doctorate program. And then this is what we need to go through in another video, but it's just planner storage. So yeah, that is everything. and a little tour of the bookshelf. And that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.